Hello guys, welcome to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in today's video I will tell you how you can make public profile on your Snapchat. Is this possible to make any public profile? How you can do that? You just need to follow some simple steps and your problem will be solved. I have faced similar problem. I cannot create public profile in my account, but later how I do it I will tell you. First of all, open your Snapchat. After opening Snapchat, go to your profile section of your Snapchat. So here you can see the multiple types of option will came out here. So what we need to do, we need to scroll down, and here we need to go to the setting. So simply tap on the setting option, and now you need to scroll down. So after scroll down, you can see that various types of option will appear here. So you need to find a option that will help you to prevent from this problem. Slowly scroll down, because this option is there are too many options. So how you can find that I will tell you. So let's you can see that here there is option of privacy, contact me. So you what you need to do, you need to change the all the privacy option, and my story, change privacy setting to everyone. After that, what you need to do, send me quick ad. Also you need to enable, first of all disable and then enable it. And my location, you need to turn off ghost mode. And what you need to do I will tell you here. First of all, turn off the ghost mode here and enable the location. After enabling the location, change it to my friends. Okay. So now you can see that my mode location is turned off. After that, you need to go back here, and now you can see, check that in the profile section that your profile is you can see that public profile option will appear here. So in this way you can fix this problem. Hope you like this video.